So here it is, our project on Buddha Purnima is ready. Now as you all can see, I have used the leaves to write the sentences. For the first sentence, I have taken 2 leaves because I wanted to include the 3 events in the life of Lord Buddha, that is the birth, the enlightenment phase and nirvana. So I have used 2 leaves over here. Rest everywhere I have used single leaf. Also the pictures which I have pasted over here, that I have drawn and pasted it, but many are available on the net, so you all can straight away download it from there and then use it for your project. And this project I'm making for my daughter, but you can add many things to it and also subtract it. But I'll say that whenever a child goes to a meditation center, the Panchashil or the 5 precepts of life which are taught to every kid is important. So do include this in your project. Also, as I told, you can add many things like Buddha Purnima is known by various names like Buddha Jayanti, Vesak, Vaishakhi Puja and so on. Also, it is celebrated on the full moon day of the Vaishakh month. So many things can be added like this in the project. So now let's have a look at the leaves one by one. Now in the first sentence, we are going to tell a child that on Buddha Purnima, Lord Buddha was born. Then he also achieved enlightenment. Now the child will ask, what is enlightenment? At that time, you can hold this and just slide it down and tell a child that he attained so much knowledge that a light appeared around him, and so he is called enlightened one, or the person with lot of knowledge. So he also attained enlightenment and nirvana, that is death, on this day. Then he taught the 5 precepts for happy life, and they are: do not harm or kill, do not steal, do not lie, do not smoke or drink alcohol, and respect everyone. Then on this side of the page, I have included how we celebrate this day. So on this day, we worship the idol of Lord Buddha and do group meditation. Then in the next sentence, you can remove these candles, put it over here like candles, then incense stick and flowers are offered to the idol of Lord Buddha like this. Then the next sentence is fruits, clothes, food are given to the poor and the needy people. Also in some parts of the world, the birds and the animals are freed and large procession is taken out on this day. So this was about the Buddha Purnima. Do let me know in the comment box about the project. Also, if you like my video, give me a thumbs up. Do share the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such videos. Till then, this is Amrapali signing off. Happy Vesak and happy growing up with your loved ones.